Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up and run your first Angular project. So for this we must have Visual Studio Code as well as Node.js installed, and then I'll be showing you how to run it. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Node.js, and here we will be having the download link. Click it, and in this downloads page, here we can change the Node.js version of our choice, and here we are having for other operating system also. If you just scroll down, here we are having two options. One is Windows installer and another one is standalone binary. I will just go with the Windows installer one. So this will download the setup file. It is about 31 MB in size. Just be patient till then. Once it is complete, just open it and we'll be getting this Node.js setup. Click on next. I accept, select next, and this is going to be the default location where Node.js is getting installed. If you want to change it, you can click on change to change it. Once you have done that, click on next, and these are fine, just leave it to default. Select next, and click on install. That's it. Within few seconds we will be getting Node.js has been successfully installed. Just click on finish, and now open command prompt. So just go to search and open it. Here just run the command node space ---- version and hit enter. So as you can see, I have got the exact same version that I have installed. So if I run the command node, we'll be getting the node shell over here. Here we can run any JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm doing this simple math here. First thing, just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it, and here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Next, and here is an important thing. Make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes. Okay, this will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it. Okay, so just click on next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. So in Visual Studio Code, first thing is we must create a folder. So for that, you'll be having here the open folder option, or you can simply go to file, open folder, and just go to the location where you want to have your Angular project. I'll just go here and create a new folder, and I'll just name it as Angular. Okay, and select it and click select folder. That's it, it will be opened. Now just click on terminal, new terminal. We are all set. We just need to run a single command to create an Angular project. For that, just Google Angular. We'll be having the official link angular.dev. Click it, and here to the left we'll be having this documentation. Select it and click on installation. So these are the steps that we need to follow, and here we have already got Node.js, we already have the Visual Studio Code done, and next we need to install the Angular CLI. So we are going to install it through npm. So we just need to copy this command and run this in the command prompt. So let me just copy this and open command prompt and paste it. So this will take some time to install, just be patient. So after this is done, just type ng space version and hit enter. We will be getting this Angular CLI interface thing, and this is just a warning, so it's fine. So now let's go and create our Angular project. Here you can see, right, in the terminal we need to just run the command ng new our project name. So I will just copy this and go here in my Visual Studio Code and paste it. So let me just have a project name. Let me name it as demo app and hit enter. So I'll just give n for this. So it's asking me normal CSS or Tailwind CSS which I want to use. I'll just go with normal CSS. We can navigate using the arrow keys and select using the enter key. So I will just click it, and yep, you can choose this which one you want, server side rendering or static site generation, and I'll just give Y for it. This is just like based upon your customizations. Which AI tools do you want to configure with Angular? I'm not using anything. If you are using any AI tools, you can do that. I'll just go with none. And now it is beginning to install all the packages, so just be patient. We have got packages installed successfully. Now if I expand my project, as you can see, we are having the node modules. So inside the source we'll be having the main code that will be displayed on our screen. So now let's see how we can run this. So for that, let's again go to the documentation. First thing is we need to check inside our Angular project name. So for that we need to use the cd command. So it's going to be cd space demo hyphen app in my case, okay? And next for running it, it's going to be npm start. So npm start, hit enter. So after we start, we will be getting some messages like this in the console, and this is the default port it has started. So just press the control and click it. This will directly open in your default browser, and this is the interface that we will be getting. So if you want to like explore the documentation, we can select this and go to the documentation and study more about Angular, and we are having some tutorials, CLI documentation, and many other stuff. So now let's try editing some content on this page. For that, let's go inside source app. We'll be having app.html. Open it, and here as you can see, we are having hello, the title. So we can simply edit this now. I will just go with some random text and save it, and this will automatically reload. And if I go to the browser, as you can see, the text has changed. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.